Hi, my name is Julian Calle. I am concept artist specializing in creating environments for movies and video games. I have the chance to participate in great projects such as Marvel, Star Wars, and Star Trek, producing digital settings, creatures, keyframes, and even props. Science fiction environments are my favorite as they allow me to express myself freely. When I make a concept, I always imagine taking a photo of the incredible place before I create my first sketch. Then, I perfect my concept through the lights, textures, and colors. Design is my voice, the medium that I use to communicate my ideas and my dreams. To this, I add creativity, which is the power to combine the universe we can see with the one hidden inside of each of us. In this Domestika course, you will learn my method for developing high-quality cinematic keyframes using 2D and 3D softwares. For the final project, you will create a piece of the sci-fi concept art on a futuristic space based on a frozen planet. First, we collect reference and make our conceptual choices. We will then produce simple one-tone elements based on the sketches and arrange the composition so that it divides in the canvas in various areas. Using ZBrush, we'll create our basic layout and model the object we want to duplicate. We play with 3D, going to the macro to the micro, and use Octane Render to work for the framing, texturing, and lighting. Finally, we will then add the brush strokes, perfect the textures, and render the whole piece. By the end of this course, you will be able to model any alien world with a high level of details and a strong handling of the light. To follow my steps, you will need a basic knowledge of the Photoshop, ZBrush, and Octane Render. Meets knowledge and creativity to design fantastic worlds inspired by what surrounds us.